Hey, what is up everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys how I draw eyes, okay? It's going to be a pretty quick tutorial, simple and easy, and I'm also going to give you some tips on how to get the other eye looking the same and how to draw from different angles. So, enough talking. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe right now. That's the only way you're allowed to watch the video. If you don't like, you can't learn. I won't teach you. Alright, everyone who liked the video, please come in. Alright, get ready for class. And everyone who didn't, that's an automatic F. You are going to be suspended. Let's get started.
Okay, so for step one, you gotta understand what kind of character you're trying to draw with these eyes, or what kind of eye you're trying to get, all right? Now, most of the time, if you're trying to go for an edgy or, cool character, the eyes are going to be much more thinner, just like so. And if you're trying to go for much more of a bubbly character or more happy character, more of a rounded shape. All right, think about all the characters like this. All right, think about Deku. All right, he has bubbly eyes, round eyes. All right, Uraraka, round eyes, or any other anime character, even from Fairy Tail, much more rounded eyes because they're much kinder characters. But when you get to characters like Bakugo, all right, Dabi, their eyes are much more narrow. Okay, and they make this thin shape. So you gotta understand which character you're trying to go for, and that is gonna determine the shape of the eye that you're gonna create. All right, so now we're gonna first start off with a thinner eye. Okay, we're gonna draw and go for a thinner eye. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw a straight line across the paper, just like so. Okay, that's pretty much going to be our top part of the eye, and we're gonna be going from there. All right, next, what you want to do from this corner is just go and make this slightly curved line, okay, that curves in and stops about halfway, not fully, but halfway between the line. And then from here, leave a little bit of a gap and then make us another straight line going in that direction. Boom, just like so. Now what you want to do is you want to draw a line that comes from the bottom, make sure it curves, okay, and then comes back up just like so. And just like that, we have the outline for our eye. Okay, the top lid, you could just draw another straight line across and then another diagonal line going in that direction. Afterwards, now just start drawing an arch, a half circle. Make sure it takes up a good amount of the actual eyeball. Okay, sometimes people draw the eyes a little bit too small, so you want to make sure that you have a good amount, just like so, and then it'll be like a half circle. Then draw another one inside of that one, and just like so, you have your first eye. Now remember that this part is going to be darker, like this, and then this part's going to be lighter, like that. And then of course you can start refining off your lines, okay, and making it look more like an eye. You can add more thickness to the eyelashes if you want to. You can add a second line inside. That's what I do most of the time. You can have a bottom lid. Sometimes you can connect these two if you want to, or you can leave a little gap in the area. That's fine. All right, you can add a small little circle, light circle right over there. And just like that, we have our first eye. Now, if you're trying to go for a much more rounder eye, start off by drawing a circle, okay? And then from this circle, draw a flat line across on top, all right? And then following this circle shape, add another line that goes down, kind of like you're making a stool or a table, okay? Go down, and then you can just go in following the circle. If the eye is fully open, like I'm talking about, like the eye is open, like maybe they're scared or have, super wide eye, then you could follow the circle all the way. But if it's just, at default, then go down and then just start curving off the bottom part, just like so, okay. And just like that, we have are much more rounder eye. And you can start adding in a circle inside, or you can just draw a smaller circle, you know, for like a much more wider eye. Okay, more like maybe they're shocked, okay? All right, just like that, we have another eye, just like so. Okay, and that's pretty much how you go about drawing the eye. Okay, now if you want to draw, so this is the eye that's thin, this is the eye that's open, okay? And both of these ones can be default eyes. If you just want to make this a default, all you have to do is make the pupil bigger, and just like that, you have an eye default, all right? The best tip I can give you for drawing both of the eyes, because I know some people will have a hard time doing that, is when you're drawing both eyes, draw a line, okay, across, and then another line across, making this rectangular box. Okay, close off both areas just like so. Make sure you're drawing lightly as well. Next, just split this into 3 sections, okay? 3 sections, make it a square in the middle. All right, and just like that, all you have to do is follow, in this first box, follow the top line, okay? These first ones, darken those top lines, and then go in, make sure it stops at the box. Go in, make sure it stops at the box, all right? This will give you not only proportions, but it will also give you the ability to make sure both of the eyes will look the same. Okay. Next, what you want to do is you want to just go in just like so from the corners of the box. And now you can draw in your arching line. If you want to get both these lines perfect, you can. This is optional, but you can split this box in half again. All right. Make sure it's light. And then you have a guide. All right. So that you can draw in the bottom part of the eye, just like so. And then just like that, once you round off the edges, you have your eye, and they both look the same. All right, just like so. Okay, now you can start adding in your pupil, just like so. And the best way to do it is to make sure you draw them at the same time. Okay, a lot of times people, when they're drawing, they draw one eye, finish it, make it look nice, and then draw the other eye, and then when they look at it from the distance, they don't look the same. But you want to draw both eyes at the same time. Okay, make sure that you're drawing them at the same time, and that's how you get both of the eyes to look the same. Okay, color in the eye, you can add a little highlight. Oops, pencil really broke. Draw a little highlight, just like so, and just like that, you have the eyes. And of course, all these other extra lines that you made for the guide, you can just erase that, because that's not really part of the picture. It's just so it can help you get the proportions down. So you can just erase those lines just like that, and then boom, you have both eyes. And you can add in your eyelids, okay, your eyelashes, whatever you want, and then of course your eyebrows, okay. And that's pretty much the very simple method on how to draw both of the eyes. All right, and you can darken it. All right, another cool tip, I always suggest to make the top lid thicker or darker. All right, this indicates eyelashes. Okay, and then the bottom lid can be thinner or whatnot. Or if they're wearing some mascara, if they're wearing like makeup, then you can make the bottom lid thicker as well. Okay, but that's always optional, and that comes with stylization as well. Okay, so when you're drawing the eye from a side profile view, okay, what I like to do is, a lot of time people just draw a line, like a point, and then a circle, and then do this and look something like that, and that works. All right, that's fine to use, but I suggest using this method. Okay, draw a straight line and then draw a line going down. Okay, so it's kind of like a hinge. It like opened up a hinge and it goes downward. You can draw in your eyeball, just like so, and then draw in an oval shape, and then make sure that the pupil, the black part of the eye, make sure that's actually inside, okay, not on the outside, okay, because it's actually, the eyeball is sunken in, okay. That's what gives it that shape. All right, draw on the top lid just like so. You can draw in a line like this and a line like that, and then of course you can start adding your lashes And just like that, you have an eye from the side profile. All right, boom. Pretty simple, pretty easy. All right, and if the eye is open wide, then you can probably do the more open, you know, lens method. Okay, just like this. All right, drawing the little oval, little dot on the inside. All right, and then the eye will be fully extended and open. All right, just like that. And then just like that, you have your eyes from a side view. You're laying down the eye on an actual head, okay? First thing you want to do is you want to get down your actual face, okay? So once you get down the face, you can draw in a circle, then you come down on both sides, draw a little acorn shape, all right? Split this, and then split that in half, split it in half, okay? Now, remember when I told you in the last clip about how to draw both of the eyes at the same time? Now, I'm drawing these two lines, all right? And now, all you have to do is just add that box in the center of the face. And then you can do the same thing, all right? And follow, we're gonna split it in half again, and then follow the same method, and then just like that, we draw both the eyes, all right, at the same time, okay? Just like so. Draw in your bottom lid, okay? And then you can add in your eyebrows on top, okay? And your eyelid, just like so. And before anyone asks, this method is gender neutral, okay? It doesn't matter if it's a boy or a girl, the same method applies. So I don't need people asking me, can you do it for guys too? It's the same exact method, all right? So it's the same thing, all right? If you want to draw a guy eye, just, don't add too many, darkness to the eye and make the eyebrows thicker. That's pretty much all you gotta do, okay? The nose would actually sit down halfway, all right? Then you can draw on your mouth. And then just like that, we have a simple face for everyone to draw their characters, all right? And that's pretty much how I draw my stylized character eyes, okay? All right, and if you feel like anything's going wrong, all right, and if all else fails, just add thicker eyelids, all right, to make a more feminine character, all right? The more darkness you add to the top of the eye, the more feminine it will be, and the less you add, the more masculine it will be, all right? So that's why I said this method is gender neutral. It doesn't really matter. There's no such thing as a male eye, they're just all eyes, all right? And just like that, we have our eye tutorial, all right? So I hope this video helped you out. I know, if it did, make sure you guys leave a like and comment, all right? The more people who like and engage with the videos, the more tutorials will come out. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, I am slowly shifting my content toward YouTube only, so my TikTok videos are not going to contain that many tutorials in it anymore. I'll still be posting over there, of course, because that's my, my biggest following. But I do want to focus on my YouTube channel some more. So feel free to leave in the comment section some more tutorial ideas that you guys want to learn. All right, and I'll see if I can work a video out for you. Anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.